Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix myGov error code RFM10A. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this error code RFM10A usually means that your sign-in details cannot be verified. Even if you are entering the correct username and password, it can be caused by incorrect login details, a temporary disabled sign-in method, browser issues, or a temporary myGov system problem. Now, here are the most effective ways to fix it. So we want to go ahead and open up myGov application, click on the sign in, and then choose myGov details. Now I'm just going to cancel this black screen. Then from here, myGov sign in details again. And then we want to go ahead and double check your username. So if you normally sign in with your email, try using your myGov username instead. Also, if you're unsure, click on the forgot username option to retrieve it. Now the password, so select forgot password and follow the prompts. After creating a new password, try signing again with that username. Also, we can go ahead and try another sign-in method. So if we come back, we can use our digital ID or even our passkey if you set one up, or a authenticator app. Use one of those instead of your password. Now, next option or next fix is to go ahead and clear your browser cache. So click on myGov, click on I for app info, scroll down. Then we've got the option for storage. Go ahead and clear cache. And also another fix is to go to your Play Store, do a search for myGov, and make sure your application is up to date. Outdated myGov applications tend to give these issues out as well.